11,000 flights are cancelled, 500,000 homes are in darkness. America has buried under the snow. Welcome to Times XP. And a monster winter storm, it has swept across the northeast United States, and it did not arrive quietly. It roared in with blinding snow, howling winds, and record-breaking totals. Cities have turned white and silent. Yes, from New York City to Massachusetts, the snow piled up fast. In Manhattan's famous Central Park, nearly 20 inches of snow it blanketed the ground in just 2 days. On Long Island in Islip, snowfall crossed 22 inches. And yes, in Providence, history was rewritten. More than 32 inches of snow, breaking a decades-old record set during the legendary blizzard of 1978. Roads are empty, cars are abandoned. In parts of Massachusetts, drivers were told to stay off the road. Whiteout conditions have made visibility nearly zero. Snowplows struggled to keep up. Cars were left stranded. In fact, tow trucks couldn't even reach them. In the meantime, Governor Moira urged residents to remain indoors for their own safety and for emergency crews trying to clear the chaos. 11,000 flights grounded. That's right, air travel, well, it is thrown into complete disorder. More than 11,000 flights across the US were cancelled between Sunday and Tuesday. Airports slowed to a crawl. Runways buried, passengers stranded. Even Amtrak suspended services between New York and Boston. Now, this wasn't just a snow day. It was a regional shutdown. In fact, 500,000 are in darkness right now. As heavy, wet snow, it clogged to the power lines, they snapped. Trees collapsed, electric grids flattened. By Monday evening, over 500,000 homes and businesses were left without any electricity. Massachusetts, by the way, it was hit the hardest. New Jersey followed, from Virginia up through the New England. Darkness spread, and when temperatures drop below the freezing, power loss isn't just inconvenience, it's very dangerous, it's life-threatening. At John F. Kennedy International Airport, gusts nearly reached 50 miles per hour. So this time, snow didn't just fall, it whipped the sideway relentlessly, unforgivingly. Wait, is it over? Well, meteorologists say that the worst has passed for New York. Streets are reopening, schools in New York City, they are preparing to welcome students back. But the impact, it will linger. Damaged power lines, delayed travel, economic losses, and more snow could arrive later this particular week. Another system, it may sweep the mid-Atlantic. Another storm could form next week.